Hello again. This is the part 2 of the series of the tutorials on utilizing online resources. So in this one we are going to focus on digital elevation model from SRTM website. So we have to write first SRTM DEM. So this one will give us the required link. So I always have seen that it is easy to get the data using Google Earth plugin. So I downloaded it in my computer. They have also an associated KLM file which will give an extra layer to find out the cluster of the data. That is also needed to be installed. Yeah, once it is done we can click on that, and then we can see that the logo and logo 2 is basically for the advertising of stuff, so we can remove all those two things, and then we can check this. First, it is better to zoom the area that where we need our data. So since we decided to work on the Switzerland, now let us zoom on the area. So Switzerland is located somewhere there. So we check the box. This will give the number of the cluster. So there is two clusters that is falling on Switzerland. One is SRTM underscore 3803 and 3903. So if we click on that, there will be a message saying what are the server that we need, which is closer to us. Here it is. So since I'm in Geneva, London is very close, so we can, whatever the server, it doesn't matter, we can click any of the FTP server, and then there will be a pop-up message. Yeah, it depends on the browser actually. So in case if it comes, then we have to click here. So now it started to download. In the meantime, we can go for the another cluster, the second one. The same way we can download. Once it is done, we can make a new folder, and then we can paste it there, and then we need to extract all those files. Now we can see what are the file contents through any kind of GIS software. So again, we are opening through ArcMap. It's better to open it in ArcCatalog first. So now we can see that the files are separate from each other. So it will ask to make some pyramid to have a smooth layer. So they are now together, but still they are not together because we have to do some kind of processing called mosaic. So if we write mosaic there, then we have to drag and drop the files that we have downloaded already, and then we have to give a locate the space, and then give a name of that. So maybe we can write mosaic, and then OK. It takes little time, Now we can visualize this through art map. It's again taking a little time. Here it is. So now we can extract information only from Switzerland, because it's for a much bigger area than Switzerland. So we can bring the shapefile that we have downloaded in the beginning. Any of the shapefile will be okay. So we can see Switzerland is within these clusters, within this mosaic. So now we will be extracting only Switzerland. So in that case we have to go to the extracting by mask, and give a name, maybe Swiss DM. So once the process become finished, then we can see the files that we can see the DEM in fact already, which is already mosaiced, and then we can use this for other research. Now we can, if we remove the other layer, then we can see the digital elevation model that we got from the SRTM website. So that's the final stage. Now this can be used for any kind of research. This is a complete DEM for Switzerland. This one we will be using for the other purposes in the coming tutorials. Okay.